Hello everybody and welcome to BioPlex. In today's video, I'm just gonna be eating my lunch and showing you guys how I eat my lunch outside. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing in this episode. So kicking it off, I like to smack myself with bread and just like get you going. Add whipped cream on the bread. It's a good combo. So yeah. Yeah. So once that's over, I eat some more bread and smack myself in the food. And then I grab the chocolate blueberries. The cap, it's just not the best. I gotta wash the bread down with some water. I really like this bread. It's a fan favorite at lunchtime. Okay, sorry. So once I'm done eating my 2 pieces of bread, I go for the whipped cream. Spray my shirt. So whipped cream is a dessert. The apple didn't sound appetizing. And I like to have the cereal sometimes. Get the cereal. Wipe off. That's always good after a meal. Very aggressive when it comes to cereal time. Watch this. I like cereal a lot. It's really good. I just like look at it like, yeah, I want that. So, do I want that? Yeah. Okay. And there's nothing left in here, but I like to wipe the bowl on myself. And yeah, that about wraps up my meal time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like button. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. BioPlex out. Oh my god.